In the heart of Sweetville, where everything was made of sugar and dreams, lived a kind, brave little candy named Chocolate. He was known for his gentle spirit and a warm smile that could melt the iciest popsicle. One crisp autumn day, Chocolate was walking through the orchard square when he noticed a crowd gathered around someone in the middle. "Out of the way! Too sticky! Too weird!" someone shouted. Curious, Chocolate made his way through the crowd and saw a bright red candy apple, wobbling on her little stick, trying to speak. "I just wanted to join the Harvest Festival," she said softly, "but everyone says I don't belong." The other sweets snickered. "Apples are for fruit stands, not candy parties." Chocolate stepped forward. "That's not true. Candy apple belongs here just like anyone else." The crowd quieted. "But she's part fruit," whispered a jelly bean. Chocolate stood tall. "That's what makes her amazing. She's sweet and strong. She brings something new to the table." Candy Apple looked at Chocolate, her caramel glaze trembling with surprise. "You really think I belong?" "I know you do," he said. "Sometimes, what makes us different is what makes us special." Touched by his words, the crowd slowly nodded. One by one, the other treats began to welcome Candy Apple. She shared her story, how she was made from a real apple dipped in molten sugar by hand, and how she always dreamed of being part of something sweet. That night at the festival, Candy Apple and Chocolate danced under the fairy lights. She wasn't just part of the celebration, she was the star. And Chocolate? He reminded Sweetville that kindness can break the hardest shell and melt the coldest heart. Because sometimes the sweetest thing isn't sugar, it's standing up for someone who needs a friend.